Well, guys, I've been dying to get down in the creek, so it's about 6 o'clock in the evening. Just got off work. I'm gonna go down here in this creek, the East Fork of Little Miami, and see if I can't get a few with that water dropping the way it is. I decided to go with a little 3-inch crawl and try to get down in that little bit deeper water in some of those pockets, because when the water's falling like that, them fish are going to pull out to the little deepest spot they can find. So little baby. Oh, that's one of them stupid warmouth things. Remember, I was catching these all last year by the thousands. Wow. Not really too crazy about them now, though. I want that big smallie, big largemouth. There's another one. Thought I felt him in there. Ooh, I'll take it. Yeah, I love that. The water's dropping though, they're going to be down in that stuff. So, hooked up with a little one. Oh, and he got off. That's 2 little ones. What's up with that? Now I got a great hook on there. Had 2 little smallies get off so far. Little baby back there. That little baby right there. There's one. Another little one. But buddy, I will take it. Miss Smallmouth. Venture's working. There's one. I think that's a little bit better one there. Woohoo! Come on, baby. I know you mean, but you ain't that mean. Ugh. I like that one. That was a lot of fun. These little young crawls work magic in the creeks, rivers. Really, pretty much anything. Throw it out, drag it along the bottom. Trying to get down in those little pockets and holes. There's another one. Woohoo! He's not as big as that last one, but he's a feisty little thing. Look how dark he is. All right,
Well,
we
finally
got
made it down to the creek to do some smallmouth fishing, and caught all my fish on a little spinning rod here, 8-pound test. And these little yum crawls, this is a 3-inch yum crawl, little 1-aught Gamakatsu hook, a little worm weight. Just working slow around the bottom, trying to get into the deep pockets. The river was falling, and just working real nice and slow. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and hope to see you on the water soon. Hope you guys have a good day.